Welcome to the EP Scan Introduction. I am Abid Hassan, an application engineer for the Keysight EDA HSD segment. In this session, I'll demonstrate how EP Scan supports efficient design improvement by reusing existing analysis setup after a layout update. We begin with an EP Scan project containing DQ nets where performance limits are already defined in the test plan. This project was created in the previous sessions. After the analysis, this layout failed specification due to a routing issue. Now assume the layout has been updated and the design needs to be re-evaluated. At this stage, it's common to expect that the entire test plan and specification setup must be recreated. EPScan avoids that repeated effort by allowing the user to reuse the existing test plan on the revised layout as long as the net names are consistent. After opening the test plan, select Export Test Plan and save the JSON file to a preferred directory. Create a new project by importing the revised layout file. Now select Import External Test Plan and open the JSON file. The original test plan is reapplied to the revised layout. Now run the test plan. For the revised layout, the DQ traces pass the specification. This test plan reuse capability improves productivity by enabling fast revalidation. That brings us to the end of this session. Thanks for watching.